All right, so you should be ready for the second part of the map testing practice that you've been working on this week. You should already have practiced with all of the testing tools and the features and, kind of messed around with that and noticed how to enter and exit the test and so forth. The next step is to really look at the vocabulary that could possibly be in the questions. We find that sometimes there's a vocabulary word in the questions that throws students for a loop. And we try to use them throughout the year, but the map test sometimes comes up with one that you either don't remember or we just haven't had a chance to get to, especially this year. So this page of the packet, you have to scroll down to see this page. This is the same one that you were working on yesterday. It says this chart shows vocabulary that is commonly used in the directions for different sections of the map test. You're going to write synonyms for each one. A synonym means a word or a phrase that means the same thing. If you don't know the meaning, highlight it so you can join our class in our Google Meet to ask me about the words that are unfamiliar to you. Otherwise, you can look it up or you can write it in there. So, for example, according to is often found in there. That tends to be in one of them. That is a research paper that you might be looking at, and it might say something like, according to Dr. So-and-so from the University of Michigan, or according to an article in Time magazine. So that means that you might just word it in your own words. Someone, probably an expert, has said something the author is referring to. So you just do all of them that you know what they mean. Claim is all about argument. We had the, what is the argument, the claim, the counterclaim, the objection that you might think in that. Some of these are going to be really familiar to you, some of them not so much. But, get your brain working on them so that you're not thrown for a loop on the map test just because of vocabulary. So this is a pretty hefty list, but guess what? I'm available to help you out and use your resources. All right, good luck.